This video is sponsored by CANVA. Hey guys, Irene here. Today I have a very special behind the scenes video for you guys. Some of my photo shoots are somewhat spontaneous and others take a lot of time to prepare, and this is one of them. I have had this idea for years now and finally I was able to make it a reality. This photo shoot is based on a traditional pagan celebration of the summer solstice. In Ukraine, we call it Ivana Kupala. A lot of other European countries have a similar celebration, as the longest day of the year had a huge significance in the pre-Christian pagan society that worshipped the sun. If you have watched Midsummer, you might be a bit familiar with it, but in reality, it's a beautiful celebration of love, nature, and community. People believed that on Ivana Kupala, all sorts of magical creatures and deities are out and roaming free, so they would start these big bonfires, sing loudly, and dance to scare them off. People also jump through the fire to cleanse their souls, and it's often done with your partner holding hands. It's also believed that regular people on this day can possess magical abilities, so a lot of young women and girls would perform magical rituals to foresee their future or to cast a love spell. One of the most popular rituals was to make a flower crown out of wildflowers and then drop it in the river. If a man finds your flower crown, he's the one destined to marry you. There's so much more to say about this old tradition that has been passed down through centuries, but that would make a whole video. So for this shoot, I got these 3 beautiful traditional vintage Ukrainian shirts and belts off of Etsy. I will leave the links in the description if you guys are interested in them. Then I went into the field close to my house and gathered a lot of different local wildflowers and made them into 3 flower crowns. They are super easy to make. Here I recorded a little tutorial for you guys on how I made them. I found 3 models that fit perfectly with my theme. We have Peyton, Monica, and Anise. And finally, we headed to Fish Creek Park and started shooting close to a river during golden hour. Oh, and you know what? Here, I'll give you to hold Oh, they're tough. Oh, they're not that tough, I guess. Yeah. It's a little bit questionable, but this is better for light, I think. Yeah, that's really pretty. Oh, you know what? So I don't know if it's so this shirt, because it has such a low thing, you can put like one shoulder off. Maybe try on this side. You have to like pull it up a little bit and then pull it on one side just a little bit. Yeah, just on one side. Yeah. Can you just put the bra strap down as well? Yes. Perfect. Yes. Gorgeous. And like pretend you're like sniffing the flower. Yes, and look at me while you do it. Oh, so pretty. That's beautiful. Okay, let's get, Monica, can you get sitting beside her? Yeah, I'm thinking if you sit behind her and kind of like grab her
from the back, you know what I mean? And like kind of try to put your head somewhere like maybe on her shoulder, like close to her. Can you scooch even more in the front? Yes, yes, yes. I need to go just a smidgen further. Oh, so beautiful. Monica, what if you put one hand over like this instead and you're kind of looking out the other way instead? Yes, yes, exactly. And I say you kind of move more like towards her. Yes, 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 yes. That's absolutely beautiful. What if you both in your profile? So, and you say, and both of you guys, yeah, and just closer, closer with your faces. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God, that looks, oh my God, amazing, amazing, amazing. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow. Okay, stay like that, stay like that. I'm gonna get a little bit closer. Yes, beautiful.
Now, before we move on to the next set, I wanted to thank CANVA for sponsoring today's video. CANVA is a website with templates for absolutely anything. A post, story, TikTok video, presentation, magazine cover, they have it all. So let's make a thumbnail for this video. Find YouTube thumbnail templates, type in photography to the search bar, and then I choose a template I like. I customize it with my own photos, and ta-da, I was able to create it within minutes. Now I want to make an Instagram story to promote this video. I love the animation tool that they have. It makes the template come to life and it looks so professional. Finally, I'm going to update my Facebook page cover. Much better. Canva also has tons of free resources and instructional videos to help you along the way creating and designing. I'm really not the greatest when it comes to graphics and such, but with Canva it is so easy. So use my link in the description below to get a free 45-day trial for Canva Pro.
Look at me both here. And so put your hand down just like your whole, yes, yes, yes. Oh my God, you guys. Let's get Peyton in there. Okay, I'm trying to think where to put you. I'm thinking, so you guys stay where you are. I'm thinking, Peyton, what if you sit like this with your back kind of like that? We'll see.
Also,
yeah.
Somebody, like, I could also rest like my head on somebody's.
Oh, yes, I wanted that. Yes. Let's do that. Oh my God, this is so pretty.
It looks really cute.
You guys are so cute. Okay, so you guys stay like that. I'll take picture of like Peyton mostly here, okay? But I want your hands and stuff in the shot, okay? Peyton, look at me here. Stay like that. I'm gonna try go higher. Oh my God. So pretty. Yes, I love that. Yes. Oh my God, you guys did. It looks so good. Wow. Wow, you guys. Amazing, you guys. Oh, you know what? And he said, can you like grab this so I can see your knee here? Yes. Yeah. But keep your hand where you had it before. Yes, yes, like closer to the, yes, exactly. Monica, can you, yeah, chin down, chin. Oh, yes, amazing. Beautiful, you guys, wow.
We get your soul. Hunting alone.
Okay, yeah, be careful because it is slippery. Ooh, okay. Yes, 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 yes. Let's do this. Take the hairpiece off and just hold it in your hand. You know what? Hold it like here, your dress with the, yes, 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 yes. Exactly. That's gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, stay like that, stay like that. Gonna get closer. And look at me here. Beautiful. Yeah, so Peyton, can you try to put your legs closer to Monica? Is that possible? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, 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 that's perfect. You guys, that's gorgeous. Yeah, hold her actually, Peyton. Hold her like that, how you did? Yes. Wow. You guys, it's so pretty.
Traveling from the deep forest into the sun. In war, there's never an option to run. Oh, oh, Geronimo.
Okay, amazing, you guys.
Oh, oh, Geronimo.
Let's get someone just kind of standing beside you. Oh, you know what? That looks cute. You guys like holding hands? Yeah, pretend that you're like walking. Yeah, pretend. Wait, wait, wait. Stay there. Need to go a little bit further.
See, I told you I'm quiet. I got you.
Yeah, yeah. Just pretend that you're like walking towards her. Pretend. Oh, hold your dress with one hand because you know, yeah, that you like don't and like just like look down. Wow, you guys, it's so cute. I love these like action shots.
Instead of running, you've always known that if we stop running, that will be done. I wish you knew how much I would.
Okay, get closer now. Okay, let's go on the back. Yeah. Stand a little bit closer to me. Yeah, get closer to me. Yes, and then just put like maybe one hand on her shoulder. Yeah. Oh, pretend you're braiding her hair. You don't have to actually braid it, just kind of, you know. So do you see there's like this branch in front of you? Can you just go in front of it? Just go closer to me, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, look at her hair while you're doing it, yeah.
I see it in your eyes that we will get hurt again. We will get hurt again.
So, Monica, I'm thinking you're standing by Peyton And also like in front of that tree branch. And yeah, oh, actually even holding on to the branch is kind of cool, but get a little bit closer to them, just a little bit closer. That's gorgeous, you guys.
I wish you knew how much I wished it was different. There's a fire we should put out, but all I know is how to fall back into.
Let's all stand up here. And yeah, just where you are. Oh, just kind of in front of that tree branch. Oh, and just hold hands. Yeah. Yeah, just kind of look at them, like get them close to you, like look at those headpieces. Yeah. Yes, like compare them to each other. Like mine is a little bit bigger.
This is the best it ever gets. I see it in your eyes that we will get hurt again. That we will get hurt again.
Ooh, eerie. Okay.
She can change the settings.
Being like the water. Ooh, wait. Okay, you guys in the back, like don't walk, just kind of pretend you are walking. Yeah, stay like that. Yeah, that's amazing. Because I can see like the candle lit. Yeah. Now look to the side, Monica.
I used to think the world of you, but somewhere down the line.
And get closer to Peyton. Yes. And he said, pretend that you're like picking a flower over there. Oh, amazing, you guys.
It's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. Baby, it's time for me to face the truth and say it out loud. I don't know you anymore.
Yeah, stay like that, just a few more. Got it. Okay, let's go.
Like I used to do before anymore. We used to be inseparable. I used to stand by you. Now I'm only.
So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.